Hey everybody, I wanted to check in with you and show you the ScoreMore system that I use here in the garage whenever we do our bowling. The system is called ScoreMore. I'm going to show you a little bit more of how it works. So here is the ScoreMore system. All you need is a laptop computer and just download the program. And then you can also just get the camera. You need a triggering mechanism to tell your ScoreMore when to score. There are different ways about it. If you want to contact Joachim, Think Clever and Smart, Google him or go to ScoreMore and Google that. You can find the contact to him and he can help you with more of the details of how to make it actually function. Mine works off a switch on the pin setter, but a lot of other ones work off a ball detector, and when the ball rolls by, it'll tell the machine to score at a certain time. But I have mine set up a little differently, and Joachim's been very patient, worked with me and got this thing working with a 44 switch, and I'll show you how that works too. Alright, to get started, I have ports already marked for my video output to send it to the video mixer when we do our live feeds. I have one marked for the camera. It plugs in over here. And then on the other side of the laptop I have one for the Arduino that I plug in right here. It's really easy to use. Just go down here into this bar, pulls up ScoreMore right here, click it, and you'll see in the bottom corner what it'll say it's trying to connect. Board connected successfully. Okay, how the machine knows when to score, there's a little lobe on this black cam right up here. And when the machine cycles at 44 degrees, it's going to push that switch on the arm, on that red switch right there, and the machine's going to know when to score. I'm going to go and cycle the machine, and I'll say score right when it scores. Scores. Now I'll run it through a cycle again and show you where the 44 mark is. Right here. It scores right before the deck will interfere with the vision of the camera. Now located just outside the masking unit, right above the ball return track, if you ever wondered what this is the camera that runs ScoreMore. It's got a telephoto lens on it because of how far it is away. I had to get one that would zoom in and give me a bigger picture. I tried many different places to put this. As you see from this vantage point, you got a clear picture of all 10 pins without any interference from any of the other pins. I mounted the camera on a pretty sturdy piece of wood on here with a good solid bracket to try to keep the camera movement to a minimum. Otherwise you're going to have to go back and recalibrate your camera all the time unless you can keep it very steady. And I even put some screws on here on the focus adjustments and the zoom adjustment to try to keep them from moving. Okay, this is the Arduino. I've got my gutter out right now because I was rerunning all my wires and cables under there. So I just need to put the gutter back down. But under the Phthalite cover is my Arduino. This is the brains of the ScoreMore. It's got the signals from the pin setter for when to score, and it'll send out a signal for the second ball solenoid when it needs to. And I've got everything running up the side. I used to have it down where the camera was, and I was getting a lot of interference, I guess, with the long cable. So I've been trying it from the pin setter to where the camera is. And at first I had it all the way up at the telescore where Aaron sits and the laptop was, but I was getting just kind of anomalies with that. I don't know if it was the cable I was using or what, but I found this spot here to just kind of be a very good neutral in between, and I think we've found a happy medium, and it works real good right here. Thanks for checking out my video. Also check out Joachim's page, Think Clever and Smart, and check out his video. He just made a star shield of his own, miniature version. I can't even fathom how high-tech he got on this thing. It's really cool. Check out what he did. Maybe it'll help you build one yourself. Different scale, who knows? Possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.